Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add payment method on Bybit app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bybit app and already verified yourself as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bybit apps on in the screen. So now if you want to add payment method on Bybit app, then you can see there is assets option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallet icon. So let's tap on that wallet icon. And now you can see there is withdraw option at the middle of this screen. So let's tap on the withdraw and let's choose any of the crypto from here, or let's choose fiat for now, and let's scroll a little bit down and let's choose USD. So now you can see the payment method is in here and withdrawal function is currently unavailable in here written. So which basically means in my region there is no any option to choose the payment method, but in your region you can find payment method in here and you can select from this section successfully. So once you choose your payment method, you can simply add your credentials, and yeah, you will be able to add your payment method on Bybit app successfully. So basically this is how you can add payment method on Bybit app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.